Hi, everyone. My name's Kevin Khan, and I'm here with Suman Balani. Hi, Suman.
Hi, Kevin.
So, we're here to preview our new strengths course that's coming up. So, let's tell the audience a little bit about why do we need to know our strengths?
Hmm. The research shows that you get a lot more if you focus on your strengths instead of your weakness. The problem is, most of us, when we think about development, we often look at the weaknesses and spend all our energy trying to fix those. But if you only focus on your strengths, you get exceptional results.
That's very, very true. And with the clients that I've been working, I've also found that when they know their strengths and then they utilize and maximize their strengths on a daily basis, they feel more confident. And the more confident we become, the more productive and more successful we become as well. So that's another reason to know your strengths.
Absolutely.
So let's talk about what is the Understanding Your Strengths workshop all about?
It's exactly what it says. So there's going to be a couple of things we do. First, we start with letting the participants take the Clifton Strengths assessment that will give you an idea of what your key talent themes are. And so, talent are naturally occurring behaviors, thoughts, and patterns, as you know. And the whole idea is that we want people to be conscious of them and then start to use them so that they can move the talent to become a strength and that can be productively applied at work. So that's the process we take you through. We create the awareness of what your talent is, and then we let you claim it, and then lastly we let you aim it, meaning we start to give you opportunities to use it in the workshop.
That's terrific. And we all know that everyone's busy these days. So we specifically created this workshop to be a short 3 hours so that people can fit it into their busy schedules, understand their strengths, get to learn how they can apply it into their workplace, and also potentially see how their teams can benefit from it as well. So it's a very, very quick get to know your strengths and how to apply it in the workplace.
And in addition to the workshop, what you will get as a bonus is a one on one coaching session with either Kevin or me, which is worth a lot of money. And we're putting it all together as a simple package for all of you.
That's terrific. So, Suman, what will they learn in the workshop?
In the workshop, when you leave, right, you'll know what your strengths are, you'll know how to apply them at work, and you'll know how to maximize your performance. It's basically we're unlocking a gift that has been hidden within you.
And it's a great way to also understand what each of the different terminology of the strengths are so that you can have a look and see where your strategic strengths lie or where your executing strengths lie, or maybe relationship building or influencing strengths lie. So there's something for everyone in the workshop.
And one more thing, right? So we teach you not only to recognize strengths for yourself, but also for all the people in your team. And so if as a manager, you get to make the best use of all the people that you have.
That's terrific. Thank you, Suman. So all you have to do to enroll for our workshop is click on the link below, give us your details. You can sign up on the spot with your credit card, and we'll get the assessment to you to complete before the start of the workshop. And we look forward to seeing you online.